Hello everyone, if you're getting this error, this site can't be reached when you try to open any website, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying address unreachable error easily. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up the start menu, you're going to write here control panel, and then you're going to click onto network and internet, you're going to click onto network and sharing center, click onto your internet connection here. So I have an Ethernet connection. You can also have a wireless connection. You're going to click onto your connection. You're going to go into properties here and you're going to scroll down here and make sure that Internet Protocol version 6 is unchecked. So just uncheck it. Click OK on here. Close this menu up. And then you're going to open up the start menu again. You're going to write here network reset. You're going to click on to reset now on here. Once you click on reset now, your computer will need a restart. So it will either automatically restart or you'll have to manually restart it by doing this. Once you restart your computer, you're going to open up your web browser again. You're going to go on to any website and you'll notice that you won't get that error anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.